So I've been working in the Leone Lab now for about 2 months. I started at the beginning of this summer. Um, the reason why I wanted to do scientific research is because I want to be a scientist, and research is a really integral part of the scientific method. Um, Even someone as smart as like Newton or Einstein, eventually their theories have to be tested in order to see if they're correct, and maybe if they're not correct, you find some new and interesting things that you can start theorizing about again. I have this really deep interest in science, and I really want to understand how the world works at the most basic level. So research is basically like taking that interest and distilling it down and then just doing that all day. The idea is just to look at something and try to figure out why it is that way. And that is what you do. And it's kind of nice because obviously a lot of these things are very open-ended questions. There's a whole lot of things in the world that you can look at and wonder why they are that way, and then figure out a way that you can figure that out. So it's just sort of the pursuit of that curiosity. Well, if I'm back home in the mountains, I like to downhill ski and downhill mountain bike, kayak, hike, backpack, that sort of thing. Around here, it's a little bit harder to do that because we're sort of in a city. It's kind of harder to get away. So another one of my hobbies is flying. I got a pilot's license last summer. That's really fun. So that's something that I can do around here because big city, there's plenty of airports. And other than that, I mean, sometimes when I'm out of the lab on a weekend, if I don't have anything else to do, I'll just do my work more, because that, above anything else that I do, is probably the most interesting thing. So it's a kind of interesting situation because your hobbies and your work sort of both hold the same interest value to me. Like for me and science, it's really something that I enjoy doing. So basically my work has become one of my hobbies.